In the interest of energy efficiency, many household appliances have been improved and reduced in size. This is a water heater. Steve, how does this work?
Well, this is a tankless water heater, Bob. It's made by Emax, and basically it's a demand water heater. It's pretty simple, really. Instead of having a big tank where you heat hot water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, basically what you have is an inlet. The water comes...
So the water would come in through here.
Right. Goes up around this heating element, and of course it's computer controlled. And then this here is a 3-stage unit because it puts out about 4 gallons per minute.
So if it comes in here at 50 degrees, and you go through here, it might come out at 65 or 70 degrees.
Right. It's incremental. So by the time it gets done here, you could have water upwards of 140 degrees out of this unit.
And it's tankless, so...
Absolutely. Normally, in a tank-type water heater, you'd heat water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
And keep it stored.
That's right, which costs you a lot of energy. These can save about 30 to 40% on your energy costs. And, of course, you never run out of hot water. So that's a real plus.
You really don't? I mean, what if you have 2 teenage daughters?
Well, you're out of luck, Bob. No, really. What you do is you just have multiple units of these. And what's really great about these units is you can successfully put these in series to get the demand you need. Now, for example, this one here will provide enough hot water for 2 showers and 2 sinks.
Excellent. Red means hot, blue means cold. All the piping in this house is, well, what material is this?
Well, this is a cross-linked polyethylene pipe, Bob. It's called PEX. Very
PEX.
Durable.
Very, very durable, and you can run long lengths of this without any kind of joints or anything.
Absolutely. You start out from a manifold, and you can run a continual length of plumbing without any joints, which means you're going to have less potential for leaks.
All right, so we're in the lower level of the house right now, and we're looking at a bunch of these that are coming out of the slab.
That's correct. This is part of the heating system, Bob.
Yeah.
It's a radiant floor heating system. This is also PEX, different color. But basically what they've done is they put down a foil-like material that reflects the heat. They lay this piping down in the floor. They pour the slab over it. You have a boiler. And, of course, this boiler heats the water, not to steam, but to hot water, and pumps it throughout the entire system and makes for a great radiant heating system.
And it can be used either in a concrete slab like we have here, or it can be put into a traditional wooden floor, right?
Absolutely. And of course the advantages of radiant heat is it gives you the ability to zone. Each one of these can be run to its own particular room, so every room has its own thermostat, so you don't have issues with hot and cold spots in the home.
So you have 1 manifold per zone.
Right. Well, it could be 1 manifold for the entire house, but you can zone each of those manifolds, which what each of these are.
So the EnergyWise house has 2 bedrooms, and they're on the lower level of the house. It's an upside-down house that takes advantage of the views from the living spaces.
Absolutely.
And so we could be in 1 bedroom and maintain a certain temperature and have a different temperature in another room.
Absolutely. And of course the advantages of radiant floor heating is that you have very uniform heat in the room. Typically a standard HVAC system that has ductwork will lose about 25 to 30 cents out of every dollar just through leaks in the ductwork.
Wow.
So you don't have those big distribution losses with a system like this. And you get a great deal of comfort.
That's terrific.